Stop waiting months for a single salad. You can harvest these 7 container crops in just 21 days, even if you've failed before. I've tested over 30 varieties on my own balcony to find the ones that actually grow at 2x speed. One of them on this list is a secret green that thrives on neglect. Let's start with number 1, the radish variety that's ready before your next grocery trip. If you think radishes take too long, you're growing them wrong. You should grow red Rambo radish specifically as a microgreen. This variety changes the speed game completely. It skips the long root growing phase entirely. Instead, you focus all the plant's energy on rapid leaf production. You will get maximum nutritional density in a fraction of the time. You need a 6-inch wide shallow seed tray for this setup. A depth of just 2 inches is perfect. Fill the tray with a loose, pre-moistened seed starting mix. Do not use heavy garden soil from a backyard. Heavy soil compacts too easily and suffocates tiny roots. Your exact timeline to harvest is 10 to 12 days. You will see structural changes every single morning. Tiny green shoots will emerge within 48 hours. By day 5, the true colors begin to saturate the tray. By day 12, you have a dense miniature forest ready for your plate. Here's your critical grow hack for success. Press the seeds firmly into the surface of the moist soil. Do not bury them under a layer of dirt. Radish seeds need close contact with moisture, but they do not want heavy coverage. Keep the surface constantly misted using a fine spray bottle. Cover the tray with a damp paper towel for the first 3 days. This locks in humidity and forces even germination across the tray. Remove the towel once the seeds lift themselves up. Your reward is a striking visual display on your balcony space. Red Rambo radish develops a vivid, metallic, purple-red hue. The color intensity increases with every hour of sunlight. When you harvest, you get an explosive, peppery crunch. It tastes exactly like a mature radish bulb, but packs twice the flavor punch. Snip them with sharp scissors just above the soil line. Toss them directly onto avocado toast or into a fresh wrap. This is the one, the plant that thrives on neglect. If you constantly forget to water your plants, start here. Pea shoots are incredibly resilient balcony champions. They do not care about perfect conditions. They do not need intense direct sunlight to produce massive yields. You will use a standard 8-inch round pot for this project. A 1-gallon plastic or ceramic planter also works beautifully. Fill the container up to 1 inch below the rim with general potting soil. Your timeline for this crop is lightning fast. You will get your first major harvest in just 5 to 7 days after planting. The growth rate is almost aggressive. If you cut them correctly, they will grow back for a second harvest a week later. You can repeat this cycle multiple times before replacing the seeds. Here's the essential grow hack to unlock this speed. Buy a bag of whole green seed peas from a garden center. Soak the seeds in a glass of room temperature water for a full 24 hours before planting. They will swell up to twice their original size. This process activates the inner embryo instantly. Next, pack the soaked seeds tightly across the soil surface. They should be touching each other like stones in a mosaic. Cover them with a mere ½ inch of soil and press down firmly. Water the pot thoroughly just once. The sensory reward is a clean, sweet flavor snap. It tastes exactly like fresh sugar snap peas straight from a farmhouse garden. The texture is crisp, tender, and refreshing. You can watch the delicate green tendrils curl around each other on your balcony railing. To harvest, snip the shoots when they reach 6 inches tall. Leave the very lowest set of leaves on the stem. This allows the plant to push out new growth immediately. Baby leaf spinach Siberian was built for exactly one scenario. A grower who does everything slightly wrong and still wants results. It is engineered for speed and durability. It handles fluctuating balcony temperatures without bolting or turning bitter. It is the perfect leafy green for urban growers who want consistent results. Select a 10-inch wide rectangular window box for this crop. A 2-gallon container with deep drainage holes is also an excellent choice. Spinach roots like to spread out horizontally near the surface. Your timeline to the first harvest is 25 to 30 days. This is the ultimate baby leaf experience. You're not waiting for massive, coarse adult leaves. You want the prime, tender young growth that high-end restaurants charge a premium for. Your critical grow hack is dense sowing. Scatter the seeds generously across the soil surface. Space them about ½ inch apart. This density forces the plants to grow upward quickly rather than spreading outward. It also creates a self-shading canopy that keeps the soil cool. Cool soil prevents the spinach from thinking summer has arrived. This variety completely forgives beginner mistakes like accidental overwatering or sudden cold snaps. Keep the soil consistently damp like a wrung-out sponge. Your reward is a continuous supply of thick, velvety, dark green leaves. They have a mild, buttery flavor with no metallic aftertaste. The leaves possess a beautiful, subtle ruffling along the margins. When you harvest, use the selective picking method. Take only the outer leaves that reach 3 inches in length. Leave the center cluster intact to keep growing. Your spinach bowl will replenish itself every few days. The first 3 were about pure speed. The next 4 are where things get genuinely unexpected. If you're still here, you already know what to do. Let's keep going. Tatsoi is an exotic Asian green that leaves standard lettuce in the dust. It features an incredible structural design that looks like an architectural masterpiece. It grows with extreme speed and efficiency in small containers. It is highly space efficient for cramped balconies. You need an 8-inch individual pot for each tatsoi plant. You can also use a wide 3-gallon multi-plant bowl to grow 3 of them together. Ensure the container has excellent bottom drainage. Tatsoi hates sitting in stagnant water. Your precise timeline to harvest is 21 days flat. At 3 weeks, the leaves reach the perfect baby stage for raw consumption. They grow significantly faster than traditional loose-leaf lettuce varieties. You will see a distinct circular pattern form within the first 10 days. Implement this specific grow hack for maximum leaf yield. Give this plant the absolute brightest spot on your balcony. High light levels force tatsoi to grow in a tight, flat, concentric rosette. If it lacks light, it stretches upward and loses its signature crisp texture. Space your seeds at least 4 inches apart if you want full rosettes. If you want upright baby leaves, pack them closer together. Water the soil directly at the base. Avoid wetting the crown of the plant to maintain pristine leaf quality. The reward is a visual and culinary treat. Tatsoi develops glossy, deep green, spoon-shaped leaves. They feature stark white, thick veins that provide an incredible crunch. The flavor profile is mild, slightly mustardy, and deeply savory. It is much more complex than basic salad greens. You can harvest individual outer spoons as needed. Alternatively, cut the entire rosette at the base on day 21 for a dramatic salad bowl feature. Why buy plastic grocery bags of wilted salad greens? A single premium, cut and come again lettuce mix provides an endless summer harvest. It eliminates waste and delivers maximum freshness directly to your kitchen. It adapts perfectly to shallow container environments. Choose a 12-inch wide, 6-inch deep shallow bowl planter. A wide surface area is much more important than soil depth for lettuce. Fill it with an organic potting mix enriched with worm castings for continuous nutrition. Your timeline starts at day 21 for the first cutting. After that initial harvest, the pot resets its clock. You can harvest fresh leaves every 7 days from the exact same container. One well-managed pot can sustain your salad needs for months. Here's the non-negotiable grow hack for an endless harvest. When you harvest, use sharp scissors to cut the leaves exactly 1 inch above the soil line. Do not pull the plant up by the roots. Do not cut too low into the central growing crown. You must leave the bottom third of the plant completely intact. This preserves the main growth node. The plant will use its existing root system to push out new leaves immediately. Apply a diluted liquid seaweed fertilizer every 2 weeks to fuel this rapid regeneration. Your reward is a beautiful texture mix right on your balcony. The mix features a blend of ruffled oaks, red ruffles, and crisp green ribbons. The leaves rustle softly under your fingers when you walk past. They offer a pristine, sweet crunch that store-bought lettuce cannot match. You harvest only what you need for dinner that night. The rest stays alive and growing in the sunshine. Traditional sweet basil can take months to become a usable bush. The early leaf variety of lemon basil delivers an immediate sensory reward. It is bred specifically for rapid early leaf development. It gives you gourmet herbs without the standard summer-long wait. You will need a 1-gallon terracotta pot for this herb. Terracotta is ideal because it allows the soil to breathe. It also prevents the root rot issues that often plague fast-growing Mediterranean herbs. Your timeline for the first harvestable leaves is week 3. By day 21, the seedling will stand about 5 inches tall. It will possess multiple sets of lush, tender leaves ready for kitchen use. Use this critical grow hack to double your yield instantly. Once your lemon basil reaches 5 inches tall, pinch off the top central growing tip. Make the cut exactly above the second set of true leaves. This feels counterintuitive, but it works miracles. It stops vertical growth and forces the plant to activate its side buds. You will transform a single stem into a bushy, multi-branched plant within 4 days. Always water this plant in the morning so the sun dries the leaves. The reward is an incredible olfactory experience. The moment you brush against this plant, it releases an intense, sweet citrus aroma. It smells exactly like fresh lemon zest mixed with classic herbal notes. The leaves are light green, pointed, and exceptionally tender. They add a bright, unexpected pop to iced tea, summer pasta, or fresh fish dishes. It brings a luxury sensory element to a compact balcony space. This is the ultimate climax of container gardening engineering. Meet the micro-tom tomato. It is officially the smallest tomato variety in the world. It bypasses every single problem associated with growing tomatoes on a small balcony. You do not need massive cages, heavy stakes, or deep root barrels. You need a surprisingly small container for this plant. A 6-inch pot, about half a gallon, is all it needs. Going larger actually works against you here. Do not give it a large home. Standard tomatoes take 90 days to produce fruit. This one takes just 50 days to harvest, and it stays under another 8 inches tall for its entire lifespan. It is a rapid-fire fruit factory designed for windowsills and tiny bistro tables. Here's the secret scientific grow hack for this variety. Restricting the roots in a small 6-inch pot actually works to your advantage. The tight space stresses the root system in a safe way. This stress signals the plant to stop growing leaves and start reproducing. It forces the plant to push out flowers and fruit much faster than normal. Place the pot in the absolute hottest, sunniest corner of your balcony. Shake the plant gently for 5 seconds once a week when flowers appear. This ensures perfect self-pollination without bees. Your reward is a spectacular miniature bush loaded with dozens of bright red cherry tomatoes. The fruits are deep red, perfectly round, and incredibly shiny. When you bite into them, they explode with a warm, sugary juice. The flavor is intensely sweet with a balanced acidity. It looks like a living piece of food art on your table. You get the ultimate satisfaction of harvesting real vine-ripened tomatoes in half the traditional time. Growing your own food in the city does not require a massive yard or months of patience. You can turn a small balcony into a high-speed production zone using the right varieties and precise container sizing. Imagine walking out to your balcony 3 weeks from now and harvesting a crisp, colorful, nutrient-dense salad that you grew yourself. It changes how you view your apartment space entirely. In the next guide, we are looking at the highest-yielding plants for the absolute smallest balcony pots available. Which of these fast crops are you planting first this weekend? Let me know in the comments below.